today's video is actually about this guy. Specifically, I want to show you guys how you cut your own hair. And am I a pro barber? Absolutely not. But I do know for a fact that Pareto's principle can be applied to most things in life. Pareto's principle is a principle which states that you only have to do 20% of the work to yield 80% of the result, which means I only have to learn how to cut hair to up to 20% to yield 80% of the result. So a couple of months ago, I took on the challenge to start cutting my own hair and not pay for any more haircuts. And to be honest, I've been quite successful. What you'll need for this is, you don't need a wall shaver, but you do need this lever if you want to get good results. You'll need a half guard and a 1 guard. So let's get cracking. In order to get the best results, what I would do is that I would use a mirror, and I would use something like this, and I'm just gonna tape another mirror instead of this and replace that, so I can see myself from 2 angles. I can look in here and I can have the mirror in the back so I can see what I'm doing in the back. So let me just get that set up. I got this bad boy at IKEA. You see, there are no excuses. You just gotta do what you can with what you got. Perfect. I want to angle it so that I can see myself from the back. Oh, my hair is looking really good. Oh my god. Okay, from the back here. So I want to be able to make the line. So this is perfect. The perfect. What I want to start with is this bad boy with the lever closed. So when I do this, I just start, to be honest. And because my hair is so dark, it's super easy to see where the lines should go. So, do that, do this. Personally, for me, I like to do one side first, that goes to the back, and then I do the other side, because then I kind of set the rules for how I want the line to go, and then I can just match that. And like we said, we're working with 80-20 here, so if it's not 100% perfect, that's fine. You're not paying for the haircut, you're doing it by yourself. So, you know, what can you expect? Okay, so right now, this line goes straight, this one is going upwards. So, I'm gonna have to fix the other side a little bit. Är det ojämnt?
Nej, det är faktiskt fint.
Gör det det?
Ja.
Filmar du nu? Alright, so this is the result.
Okej, det är lite så.
Är det det? Nej, nej. What about this?
So nice.
Är det det? We can obviously just touch this up, shave all that off. And that's how you do it. I hope you're happy with the results, and I hope you got inspired by this haircut. Alright. The next step is to put on the half guard. And you still want to have your lever closed. So just gonna pop that on. Yeah, let's get right into it. What you want to do is you want to cut about 2-3 centimeters up, and you're gonna notice there's still gonna be a line. Here we go. Cool! As you can see, we got that line right there. And now we're gonna try to get rid of it. So we're taking off the half guard, and we wanna have the lever half open. So here it's closed open, we wanna have it right there in the middle. So what we wanna do now, we just wanna brush up the edges here. And you can hear it working because you can hear the hairs being cut. So you don't wanna go all the way up, but you just wanna go across the edges. Also really helps if you want to pull up your scalp, because then you can get to the strands much better. Let's do the other side. Nice. Now I'm going with the number 1 on the guard, and I want to have this closed, and I'm just going to take the entire top area. If you're getting a lot of hairs on the ground, that's a good thing. That means the machine is actually working. Alright, so now I've cut down the top to a number 1, and now we just have this little line that we just need to get rid of. The last step is the scariest step, because what if I've just misguided you guys and you're following this and you've already started cutting your hair, and then now you're here with me and you're gonna get rid of this line and we're not getting rid of it. But I told you I wasn't a barber. What we want to put on is the half guard again, but this time we want to have it half open. Fingers crossed. like that, I think we're done. So round of applause to yourself for doing this. I'm just gonna get freshened up and we can have a look close up once I've got rid of all these small hairs. All right, so I'm finally done. What do you guys think? So this from the side, this from the other side, and this from the back. I actually haven't looked at the back myself, so if it's horrible, I'm only gonna find out in post-production. Is it perfect? No, it's not perfect. Is it beautiful? 100%. Is it better than it was before I cut my hair? 100%. Did it cost me anything? No. Did I gain experience from it? Yes. There are so many positives that outweighs the negatives. If you just do this like once a week, once every 10 days, or once every 2 weeks, you're gonna get better and better and better at it. Which means in the end, you can cut your friends, you can cut your brothers if you have them, you can cut your dad. So it's a win-win-win-win-win situation. And it's a really cool skill to have. I remember actually when I was traveling abroad in 2017 to Greece, we were at an island for a couple of days and I really wanted to get a haircut. And there were no barbers available, which meant I had to go with a really shitty haircut for like a week when all I wanted to do was just getting it clean cut. If I had known how to cut my own hair, I would have brought my own clippers and I would have done it myself. For future me, thank you for learning how to cut your own hair. I think you should just go and get yourself clippers. They're under $100. But remember, you need a little lever, so don't forget to get the one with the lever. And if you end up trying to cut your own hair, please hit me up on Instagram DMs because I'd love to see how you cut your own hair. Without further ado, thank you very much. I hope you found this video somewhat useful and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.